Do you want to own properties in the UK without tying up all your cash? Today I'm breaking down the strategy buy, renovate, rent, refinance and repeat. It's one of the smartest ways to build a property portfolio in the UK using the same money over and over again. I'll walk you through exactly how it works, the numbers behind it, and how you can get started, even with limited savings. If you're serious about financial freedom, property might be your path, and the BRRRR is your tool. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, where I'm at now, and my plans for the next 5, 7, and 10 years. This is a piece of my overarching strategy to build multiple income streams to become a millionaire. Buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat. This is how it works. You buy a property, one that usually needs work, you renovate it to increase its value. You rent it out to a tenant. Once it's tenanted and producing income, you refinance it based on the new value and pull out most, sometimes all of your original money. Then you do it all again with the same money. It sounds too simple to be true, but it actually works. Instead of saving 50k every time you want to buy a house, you use the same 50k to buy multiple properties over time. Step 1. Buy below the market value. Here's the action plan. Start by finding a property under the market value, typically something run down, maybe from an auction, a probate, or a motivated seller. Okay. Step 2. Renovate. Now you spend the money to improve it. Maybe 20 to 30k on a new kitchen, bathroom, rewiring, carpets, painting. The goal, force the value up. This is where the real magic happens. And a great tip here is to remember, spend smart. Don't over renovate. You're not living in it. You're adding value, not building a palace. Step 3, rent it out. Once renovated, you get a tenant and start earning rent. Say you earn £850 a month. That's your cash flow. And if you do this right, within the first 3 or 4 months, you could be making income. This for me is the first steps in having multiple income streams. Step 4, refinance. Now comes the powerful part. You refinance the property with a buy-to-let mortgage. If the property is now worth 150k and lender gives you 75% LTV, that's loan to value, you can pull out around 112,500. You originally spent 100k to buy the property and 25 to refurbish. So you're 125 grand all in. You now get most of it, if not all of it, back when you go through the refinancing, and you still own the house. The key to getting all or more of your money back lies in the initial purchase of the property. This is why finding the right property at the start is imperative. I always say, look for the worst property in the best areas, and then step 5, repeat. Now you've got the rental property giving you income. You've got your money back to do it all over again. Now you've completed this process all the way through. You don't just get your money back, a cash flowing asset that will appreciate in value. You've also gained the experience to go and do it all again. Better, faster, and hopefully cheaper, so that you can increase your margins for the house number 2 and 3. You have built a team of builders, joiners, plumbers and electricians, people you can trust to help you complete the project faster in the future. Here are the numbers in practice then. The purchase price of the property was 100k. Renovation costs 25 grand. All in, we're at 125,000. The new value of the refurb property is 150,000. With a refinance at 75%, that's 112,500. Rental income is £850 a month. Cash flow after mortgages and other expenses leaves you with £200 to £300 per month. Equity left in the property is 37,500, and money left in the deal is around 12.5k. You've created equity, a monthly income, and you're ready to buy again. That's wealth building. Section 4, how this builds long-term wealth. Every time you BRRRR, you add another rental property to your portfolio. Each property adds monthly cash flow, long-term capital growth, equity from renovation, tax benefits and leverage over 5 to 10 years. That becomes serious wealth. Imagine doing this 5 or 10 times. That is financial freedom. On screen now you can see my first project and my current project. I have cash flowing assets that give me an income each month. I also have equity in my properties that grow as house prices rise, adding to my own personal wealth. I plan to do this blueprint I've laid out for you and hope to have 2 more properties in the next 5 years and hopefully 6 or 7 by year 10 of my journey. Here's what you need to start your journey. You need knowledge. Watch videos like this, read property books and speak to people who've done it before. 2, you need finance and access to capital. This can be your own, joint ventures or bridging loans. 3, you need a team, builders, solicitors, mortgage brokers and letting agents. Number 4, deal flow. Learn how to find below the market deals from auctions, estate agents and direct to vendors. You don't need to be rich to get started, but you do need to be smart, resourceful and persistent. So now you know the blueprint. It's one of the most powerful wealth building strategies available and you can start today. If you're about to start your journey using this method, drop me a comment and let me know about it. Follow me as I build my own portfolio and hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments how your wealth journeys are going. Like this video if you learned something today and share it with somebody who's thinking about starting their investment in property portfolios. Remember, wealth isn't earned, it's built.